I just woke up and I saw a comment on YouTube where someone wrote and asked that what side hustles can I do to survive as a student? Yeah, so I'm going to make this video not just for students, but for everyone that needs to make money, needs to survive, and needs to earn extra income. So whether you are a student, you are an adult, you are working and you are not making enough, you just need to survive. So I'll be mentioning 7 side hustles you can use to survive, whether in Nigeria or any part of the world. In short, all the 7 things I've mentioned, I've tried all of them, and I can tell you these things work. They have helped me, to clear bills, to settle bills, take care of my family, and do extra things, So that's how it works. So make sure you pay attention to all these things. And the 7th one is the most important. I will advise you to take it very serious. Watch this video to the end, and you will never regret ever watching this video. I'll be right back. Guys, welcome back. So the first one on the list is what? Freelancing. Now, freelancing is that you can offer services like content writing, graphic design, video editing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or you can even just post on your status, maybe on WhatsApp, Facebook, or anywhere, and do your own things yourself. Like, you are not obliged to work under someone. You just stay where you are and you start telling people the skills you have, and you can monetize them. So the first one is what? Freelancing. So it could be writing, could be video editing, could be designing. Now that's the first way. One of the first things I did after graduating from Uniben in 2012 was what? To learn web design and graphic design. And these 2 skills have actually made the difference. The money I've earned from working as a graphic designer or as a web developer is actually like times 100 of what I've earned with my bachelor's degree in philosophy. So I always advise people to, as you wake up every day, try to learn a skill. Learn something new every day. And these skills, you can monetize them by becoming a freelancer, either on registered platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or you just post to your friends and family, tell them what you do, and you'll be surprised that you earn more than those that are even working in the bank and some other organizations. So the first one is that you become a freelancer. Now the second one is that you do online tutoring. Now when it comes to online tutoring, it means you teach online and you earn for it. So we have some platforms that you can teach. All you have to do is what? Register there. We have TutorOcean, we have Reply, and these 2 platforms, all you have to do is sign up there and you start teaching people subjects. Could be mathematics, could be English, could be biology, or whatever it is. Whatever you are good at, you can teach all these things and earn from it. Don't forget, money follows value. Now, money is the result of value creation. Now, you can create value by teaching people who want to write JAMB, want to write WAEC, want to write NECO, or whatever it is, or any exam you want to write. Just register on the platform and you start writing, or you start, having video chat and teaching them what they need to know, and you get paid for it. The next one is social media management. For me, I've hired social media managers for the past 2 to 3 years. I've always hired people to help manage accounts. I have about 5 YouTube channels, and I've always raised people that sometimes I train them, sometimes they just work on their own, and they apply, and I employ them to manage social media accounts or help my clients manage their social media accounts. So one way or the other, this social media you are just using to browse, like you check Facebook, check Twitter, check just to laugh, TikTok, whatever it is, you can actually make a whole lot of money from these platforms by helping people manage it. Some persons are too busy to manage their Instagram account, yes, but they need to understand, they need to know that you have the capacity to manage their platforms for them, and you just reply to messages, you post for them, and you earn a living from it. These things are things you can do from home. You don't need to go anywhere. I've told people before, countless times, more than 1,000 times, that guys, you can actually earn a living from home. I'm a living testimony. Yeah, whatever I've achieved them working from home. So that's how it works. So whether you just travel to a new country or a new location, or you are tired of where you work, the logic is you need to learn a skill social media management. You need to learn maybe graphic design, web design, whatever it is. So you can freelance, you can teach online, you can manage social media for people. I personally have about 13 certifications on digital marketing. Yes, that's to tell you, even with my busy schedule, while I was working in Lagos, I had to put in for these things. I was intentional about it. And after some time, when I resigned, I started earning more than enough, to live the lifestyle that I wanted. So that is how life works. So the next one is what? Digital product creation. So another thing is, I've seen people create courses. You can create the course and start selling online. It could be in form of ebook, could be in form of videos. Now there are two ways. You can look for platforms where you can sell digital products like Amazon and some other things. It could even be software if you are a tech person. Now you can sell these things on those platforms, or you just create your own website and you sell them. So you can create an e-commerce website for books and you list your own books there. You can even turn it to your own Amazon, in the sense that you can allow other persons sell their own books on your platform. So these are all possibilities. The major thing is, what are you doing with your mind? How creative are you? If you decide to write a book and post on Amazon, when you sleep, Amazon is marketing for you and you keep making money. So the logic is, if you need residual income, then learn to create digital products that people can always buy again and again. And the good part is, there is no expiry time, because once you create a book, it will be there for life, and people will always buy this content. They will buy these books, they will buy the videos, they will buy the courses and all. So guys, what are you waiting for? Start creating content, start creating digital products and start selling them. Upload on Amazon, upload on online stores. You can see, create your own store and start selling these things. There is always a market for anything. If you write about employment, people will buy, because people are looking for a job. If you write about fashion, people will buy. Everybody likes fashion. If you write about food, people must eat. So one way or the other, create content that you can always sell. Create digital products. Could be software, could be ebooks, could be videos, could be anything. Yes. So the next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a situation whereby you don't have any product, but I can sell. So all I need to do is what? Promote your product and get my own commission. Now there are lots of platforms. I am an affiliate for Amazon, I'm an affiliate for Jumia, I'm an affiliate for Konga. Yes, so if you look at all these things I've mentioned, like I told you, there are things I've done before, there are things I'm still doing. Till tomorrow, I still sell things for online platforms. I advertise for them. If you go to my website, traveler.xyz, you would see products there. You see banners. I'm an affiliate for Travel Start, where if you want to book your ticket, you can also actually go to the platform and book a ticket. So go to this description section. You're going to see the link there. If you feel like booking tickets with and you want it cheap, make sure you go there, click it, and book your ticket, book a flight ticket, and you are good to go. But let's go beyond that. So the logic is, you can become an affiliate marketer. Look for multiple products. Use your social media to post. All you have to do is part-time, pick the links and post. Now your friend needs a fan. You go to Jumia, you register as an affiliate, pick the link, send to your friend likes it, buys, you get the commission. That's one. Alternatively, you can also help your friends to order, and so they have what they call J-Force. So once you register as a J-Force member, you can actually start selling for them and get your commission. The same thing applies to Konga. Konga gives people the room to Konga gives people the room to become an affiliate. We have commission junction. There are so many. So the major thing is for you to do what? Do your research. Now you've heard, do your research and start selling for people. You'll be surprised that you make a lot of money. If you do all these things side by side, in 1 month, second month, third month, start seeing results. The sixth one is reselling airtime and data. Now, if you look around, people must buy data, people must buy airtime. But the question is, who is selling to them? Now, if you also look around, you see that most of the profits people make from all these things, they're within the range of 3 naira, 10 naira, 2%, 10% and all. The logic is, it's a game of numbers. The more the volume and the more the value, the more money you make. So as it is, I would advise that if you're a student or you work in an organization, banking, audit, you work in any organization whatsoever, the major things, have a side hustle. You can create an app or a website, a V2U platform where you actually buy these things in bulk from major distributors like MTN. They're already there. And if you need a website where you can actually sell these things, drop a comment. I will reach out to you, or one of my team members will reach out to you, because I actually build V2U platforms for people and it's quite affordable. Also, if you need guidance on how to set it up yourself, I can be of help. I will teach you how these things work, and we'll put you through to ensure that you start making profit. So you can have a website, you can have an app on Play Store. If you also need to own an app on Play Store, make sure you drop a comment. I can help you set up your app on Play Store. So these are all possibilities. Now you can decide to start selling airtime, start selling data, and get your commission from all these things, and you are good to go. So that's how it works, guys. You don't have to wait till people start, spoon feeding you or start complaining that you're not doing anything or not making progress or whatever it is. If you want, it is 2026. If you want to make progress in your life, try to do one of the things I've mentioned. Now, the last but not the least is content creation. So it could be on TikTok, could be on YouTube, could be blogging. Now, don't underestimate the power of blogging. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Don't underestimate the power of TikTok. Before you watching this video, you would notice that there were ads on the video. That means I made money from you watching this video. You too can also make money from all these things. That's from watching, from people watching your videos. Create content and monetize your content on social media platforms. You can earn potentials of hundreds of dollars. It all depends on how active you are, the energy you are putting in, how engaging your content are, and how entertaining they are. So I do tell people the major thing to focus on is what? Edutainment. Now teach something and let them also laugh. So that's how it works. Do something special, do something unique. Let them. So even when you're not doing anything special, see the likes of Pella. These guys make like 20 million naira per week. See the like of Macaroni, the like of Sabinus and all. Now these guys make as much as 35 million naira per week. Yes, from a platform only. So these are possibilities. So even if you are a pastor, you are a content creator. Everyone is a content creator. I've always told people. The fact that you go out today, and you do something, you can also document it and post. Everybody knows something. That plumber you are saying knows something. All you have to do is what? Tell someone to video you. After videoing, show the workings, how you did it, and upload on the YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook. That is monetized, and before you know it, you start making money from both the plumbing work and the earnings from YouTube and other social media platforms. Now, for writing, if you are a pastor and you preach today, someone can video you. Use this video on social media platforms. You make money from it. Also, your messages can be turned into ebooks or blog posts. So from the blog, you can monetize with Google AdSense. You can monetize with lots of Google AdSense alternatives, HB agency, Zoic and all. So it all depends on you. These opportunities are everywhere. But the question is, are you catching them? Are you feeling them? Like, do you want to partake in this digital economy? So I have mentioned 7 things you can do. Let's take a recap. Number 1 is freelancing. Number 2 is online tutoring. Number 3 is social media management. Number 4, digital product creation. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Number 6, reselling data or airtime or VTU. Now, number 7 is content creation, TikTok, YouTube, and Nintendo. So if you have extra things you think people can do to make money online or to make money with ease, then drop it in the comment section. If you have anything you think people should see, or you have any idea that you think could generate money, or you are doing something and you want to tell people this is what you do. Maybe you are a content creator, you have a YouTube channel, you want people to follow you, drop it in the comment section. Now, if you have an affiliate product you want people to know about, drop it in the comment section. If you have a digital product you want to sell, drop it in the comment section. I will help you to optimize all these things and make sure there is visibility for them. The major thing is what? I help you, you help me. Everybody goes together. That's how life works. If this is your first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe. I'd like to see you in the next video, and bye for now.